Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Ticketmaster presale code in 2026. Now, presale codes give you early access to the tickets before the general public. So this particular thing is perfect for big concerts, sports and events. So one of the most reliable ways to get the presale codes is by signing up for the official newsletters. So what you can do is you can simply go to the artist's website, the venue's site, or their social pages, and you can join their mailing list. Now, presale codes are often emailed to the subscribers first. Now, you can also join the Ticketmaster's verified fan. So when you come here on ticketmaster.com, you just have to simply select the event in which you are interested. So after clicking on it, you are going to see a tab here that would say fan, and here you will see fan sign up. So when you see that particular section here on the top, simply click on that and provide your information. If you are selected, Ticketmaster is going to email you a pre-sale code with instructions. Verified fans pre-sales are among the earliest and the least crowded method. Now, you can also look for the credit cards and the promo offers. Some of the major card programs often going to give you the exclusive pre-sales. For example, if you have certain type of Visa offers or American Express pre-sale card or Capital One or another bank, they are going to basically give you pre-sales promo codes. So you just have to basically take a look at those as well. Sometimes you can also follow Ticketmaster and the event partners on social media. You can get the pre-sale codes from there as well. So whenever you have a pre-sale code available, you need to basically use that code here when you are basically looking for the early access. So here, after entering the code over here, simply make the payment with the payment method that you have selected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.